Hey y'all, welcome back. So I'm here to give you guys another wig tutorial. This wig is coming from Myfirstwig. Everything about this unit will be in my description box below. So let's get started. As y'all can see, she is a Malaysian textured unit. She is a curly unit. Her density is low, and y'all will see in the end why that is important. When I first took her out the pack, I noticed how low the density of this unit was, and I was a little skeptical at first because I'm like, I think she needs to be a little bit more thicker. But once I started working with her and adding product to her, I see why they gave me this unit, because if you would have gotten her at a higher density, baby, you would have been looking like Lion King. I do like how this already came, but it did kind of sit up a little bit. Like, I wanted to kind of tame the curls myself. So right now I am saturating the hair. So I am adding water, and I'm also going in with my 𝗙𝗶𝗴 foaming mousse. As y'all can see, all I did was put my Ruby Kisses foundation on the lace, and honestly y'all, I wore her glueless. I'm not going to keep her in that wet and wavy type of style. I'm going to go ahead and let her air dry and let her get poofy. This is what she is looking like once she is drying down. Of course, she's going to get way poofier too, y'all. I didn't want to put a part in her because, I don't know, y'all. I just wanted to see how easy this unit was to put on. I didn't want to do too much manipulating, and it was actually pretty cute. Almost like the flip over method. I love how this already came pre-cut. so I didn't have to worry about cutting no lace. So my thoughts about this unit from Myfirstwig. Of course, Myfirstwig is notorious for having units that are beginner friendly, and this is definitely beginner friendly. I love how they maintain that even people that are starting to wear wigs or that want to experiment with wigs that are beginners, y'all also deserve quality. It's okay for your first wig to be synthetic, but I love how this company is allowing quality to be granted to everybody, you know. Of course, like I said, the lace was very blendable. The texture of this unit was very pretty. She only shed just a little bit. She didn't tangle up. As y'all can see, it took me literally under 10 minutes to even get this done. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank Myfirstwig for sending me this unit to review for you guys. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.